How to make money on voices.com. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to voices.com and then simply click on sign up. Now the next step is to simply enter your full name, your work email, and then choose find work as a talent. Then check this box and click on sign up now. Now as you can see, if you go here, if you go to find work, we can see that you have different ways to earn money. So you can simply create a profile and get invited to jobs. So there are people that are looking for a voiceover, as you can see, and basically they're gonna take a look at your profile, and if you're okay with their needs, they're gonna hire you and pay you. As you can see here, some examples for audiobooks, for YouTube videos, and other stuff. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.